Okay guys, quick check-in. No dishwasher happening here because almost everything, well, all the glassware requires hand wash. Some of them were written hand wash, so I figured I'm not going to put any of them in the dishwasher just because. Yeah, and then there's these stickers that I'm struggling to remove. Yo guys, it is rough. It is rough. But anyways, I guess I'll be doing hand washing. No dishwasher running, just hand washing. Okay, exhibit A. I've started putting down things. So this one will stay here because we use this side all the time. So I guess it's best to have a mat here as well. I think I'll put like a shoe rack here. I don't know, we'll see the space, but I feel like I'm just buying things, unnecessary things. So let's go to the next spot. Gloomy today, but I don't know if this works here together or not. Or should it just be that and just leave it like that? Because adding this here is just... But where am I going to put this? Because I got this, like, because babe was like, oh, this is so Texan. I don't know, maybe like that. We'll see when the decor carries on, but it's a bit too much with everything in one corner. So maybe this one can go here. Can put my Texas there and a little bit of German there. Let's turn the boot around. I don't know. Yeah, but this will be the window. I might just need to make it a bit bigger, but for now, that's it. Hey guys, I'm loving the throw, but it's a tad too small. Next time I need to do proper measurements. And then we've got the bedside tables, which I'm not sure about. I'll wait for babe. It looks like an old people's room. Oh my word, like old people's room. But obviously these guys are not going to be here. Like I'm just putting them here now just for storage. But it's really giving old people's bedroom vibes. I guess it's because it's plain, but we'll see. And the wood does not match. So this wood and that wood, but hey, now I'm thinking of maybe just getting something this color. I think it will work if it's like that color, because the wood really doesn't go here. Really doesn't go. We'll see. It just looks very heavy, like it's bulky. Anyways, guys, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I'll wait for babe, but I'm not feeling it. I am not feeling it at all. I love the throw. The throw is beautiful, but I'm not feeling the side thingies. Anyways, this is how our bed is looking right now. Still gonna spruce it up, obviously, but just for now. So you see, this I like because I can just pull out one. I hope I can, but even if I can't, guys, it's fine. And then I've got earbuds. I think I'll put like cotton balls if I buy any, or I'll see what I put in here. For now, it will stay here because I don't have a dresser yet, and I don't want anything sitting on our counter. I want our counter to just be this beautiful forever. Oh, we got hand towels, guys, because remember we didn't have hand towels the last time, and babe was like, get green ones to match with the mats, and I was like, our towels are brown, so we'll get green ones when we get green towels. Guess we have to get green towels. So let's go downstairs and check out the couch. I think the couch is the last thing that I need to... Oh, actually, you know the green, but I got green couches. So, not couches, cushions. So, but the green would have worked there. Oh, and I added this here as well. What do you guys think of it like this? I think it would look nice. It's not plain anymore, and the black actually breaks the white. I'm not mad about it. It's the guy, the gardener is here. Can you guys see him? I wonder if he cleans up afterwards, but he's here cutting the grass and he's out. I saw him passing through and I was like, okay. And he's out. So he leaves it like this. Is he not supposed to like sweep the grass? Anyways, I don't know if we need like a mat or something for outside as well. We might need like a mat for outside. I'll see how other people have been doing it. But yes, guys, so this is the flower. Oh, Look at this. So it sits like this on that. It will be on the coffee table. Coffee table is arriving on Sunday. Can't wait. I need a rug as well. 2 rugs actually. One for here and one for the couch. Oh, and I'm wearing a sweater because it's cold. It's cold. Big doesn't understand when I tell him that I'm freezing in the house. But yeah. So I've decided this I'll put in the guest downstairs toilet. Smart, right? Smart. Doesn't smell bad. It actually smells okay. So I just need to open it up now and I'll put it in the guest toilet, since that one is used. We don't use the guest bathroom with the bathtub toilet because we don't need to anymore. We'll probably just use the tub. So we use the toilets down here when we're downstairs, and we use the one in our room when we're upstairs because we're usually in our room. Maybe I'll use the toilet upstairs with the tub when I finally set up the home office. Guys, still need to set up a home office. Woo! Okay guys, I'm outside, last but not least. Oh my word, it says welcome. Why is the grass already here? But I don't want to lock myself out. But you see, this works very well. And so I just had like a whole conversation thinking I'm recording and I'm not. Anyways, I'm not going to talk about it anymore. I'm sorry guys, you have to wait for the next video because I was telling you about the next video. But now, just to show you guys the couch and how it looks. What do you guys think? I like it. It actually looks very nice on camera. It breaks it breaks the brown, the neutrals with the green and the mustard. Anyways guys, I have to say goodbye because I'm hungry. I need to call my friend, give her a tour, and make something to eat. It is 11. I did well. So thank you guys for tuning in until now. Don't forget to hit that like, share this video because, you know, it helps. It helps me make more content. So I love you guys so much. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't.